Everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete your Instagram account. So let's get started the video. At first, open your Instagram app. Then go to your profile by clicking profile icon. Now from here, click on the menu bar. Now from here, go to account center. Here scroll down a little bit and you will see manage account option. Click on it. Then click on manage. Here you will find two options, delete or deletion. Click on the delete or deactivation and this will show you a new page. From here click on delete account. This will permanently delete your Instagram account. Then click continue. You can choose an option from here. Then click continue again. Continue. Now click continue. Write down your password and then click continue. Your Instagram account will be deleted. Now confirm the deletion process. If you click on delete account, then your account will be deleted permanently. So that's how you delete an Instagram account. If this helped, follow Initial Solution for more easy tutorials.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.